PC naman.
Pwede mobile. Pero mas murag mas ayun ba? Mas sa mouse lagi. Isa man. Getting over it.
To begin this meaningful recognition, living our quest.
Interview.
I think this event is nonsense, but as long as there's food, okay lang naman. Okay lang naman.
What can you say about this school year, bro?
Ladies and gentlemen, let us give a round of
Boring, bro.
applause to our
Kind of disappointing, bro. I can't believe this is my last year of high school, bro.
Is it a waste, bro?
Kill yourself, bro. Kill yourself, bro.
What do you think of this person, bro?
I think this beautiful person right here.
Oh shit, rise. Interview. Ano masasabi mo, Mr. Phil?
Ay, baka maot na.
Yep.
What are we gonna do, mate? What are we gonna do? Are we gonna join in? Muli na to? Closing prayer? Or... Ay, God.
The Central Student Government of the school year 2025-2026 is headed by Ms. Raisa Zerna, the outgoing president of the CSG 2025-2026. Ladies and friends, let us witness our outgoing officers give their walk of honor.
What are you looking forward to this last school year, bro?
Graduate.
To graduate and forget about the past.
All I want is Josephine, bro. Why is this even necessary?
Are you entertained? Is this entertaining to you, bro? Anong question mo? Iyon lo.
Kasi mas guwapa, si Marco or si Ferrer?
Tara si Marco, guys.
As we continue our
Si Piril.
recognition this afternoon,
Come on. Ano na
outgoing officers for
Kasi
their
mas guwapa.
Yan or si ito.
Hindi. Guwapa sila to kagay kasi.
Gani.
Yo. Guwapa. Batak. Ay ba?
Please remain standing as we say thanks and appreciate them.
Minsan
So,
sila.
before I
Masaya po
begin,
sila.
so may I request everyone to please remain
Abo saya.
and recognize our going CSG
Saya siguro sila
officers
kaya
for
nakapik,
their
mas naman
dedication,
nakapik.
leadership, and faithful service to our
Sige sila boy band.
and the student body. May we give them a warm and helpful round of applause for their contribution.
Uy, may body.
Body alert.
Oh.
So as I call your name, I invite each outgoing officer to please move forward into your recognize.
Tigasan na uboy.
To our CSG President, Ms. Juliet Raisa Aguirre. To the Vice President, Ms. Sheila Lee Maestro. To our
What can you say about this school, bro?
General in Felicia, lovely Ace Marlon.
What do you think of the event so far? Is it aight? Is it alright?
Christine Pablo, to our dedicated PIOs or Public Information Officers, Marco Bersalona, Celine Leila Magdana, and Pauline Christine M. Placido. To the representatives, Ms. Melanie C. Ponyo, Mr. Carl Stephen C. Cadro, April Angeline Palde, Ayumi Abaco,
Proud, proud, proud.
And for the protocol officers, Jacob E. Parsival, which was born sa Manila, and for A. Santos, Joanne Nats, Tagapro, Thomas Tino J. Malama, and to our CSG layout artist, Ms. Philip Yon Valde, and to the board members, Janelle Panwa, Joshua Caliente, and
Cutting off the video, guys. I'm not really interested in this event. Sorry, guys.